Hello, sports fans and sports card enthusiasts. Hope everybody is well on this Sunday. Hope it's warming up where you're at and everybody's getting ready for the baseball season. Without any further ado, let's get into some football cards. Donruss 2023 football. So here we go. Slide those out. Throw that over there. And first card is Juwan Johnson. Odell Beckham Jr. Jordan Feller. James Conner. Phillips. Herbert. I'm not seeing anybody. These weren't the greatest cards. If you got probably display boxes, you probably got an autograph. Jalen Hurts, I'd say that he was the MVP of the Super Bowl. So Sam Williams, Fletcher Cox, a lot of these guys, I tell you. St. Brown, he's with Detroit. I like Detroit. We're up in that area, so we put him aside. Nick Bosa, I like him. Tyler Boyd. Marvin Jones Jr. Kyle Pitts. So let's see here. I think at the back of these usually is where the rookies are. So Josh Downs, Michael Wilson. Let's see what we got here. Oh, let's see. We've got a George Kittle. And this is, ooh, look at there. A Jahan Dotson. Power Plus. Not a bad looking card. And then Juwan Bentley. Justin Tucker. And Lou Nichols. Okay. Moving right along. So, here we go. Second pack of the Jumbos. Juwan Holland, Alex Singleton. Yeah, not really seeing anybody that's standing out. This blue card, though, I might take these and put those over there. Just for now. Jamal Adams. I have to go through them later on. We're just kind of thumbing through them and seeing if there's anybody that I can really recognize to be able to call a star these days. I've kind of gotten away from watching the NFL. Dante, Trey Moore, Romeo G. Grant, Darius Slayton, Sauce. Watch out for the sauce. It could be hot. It's hot, it's hot. When it's not, it's not. Izzy Smith, Tanner McKee, Horton. Oh, here we go. Bomb Squad. Jahmyr Gibbs. Ooh, I like that. Well, that's not a bad looking card. Jahmyr Gibbs with Detroit. Boy, I tell you, that was really disappointing how they got beat there in the playoffs. But there's always next year, you know. Always next year. Ryan Young again and goofy trash card. Okay, it's number 3 of the Jumbos here. All right, Ramsey, Eddie Jackson, Baker Mayfield. I kind of like him. Justin Eckler, Curtis Samuel. I think he's kind of a minor star. Tony Pollard, Davis Mills, Joe Burrow did all right this year. I think he might end up somewhere else where his talents can be more available. Yeah. Daniel Jones, Jordan Pear, Derek Carr, Trevor Lawrence. He's doing pretty good. Max Crosby. Here's your rookies. Tariq Stevenson, Isaiah Foskey, Jack Campbell. Highlights. Tony Pollard. Put him over there. Reed or Gobert, Dallas Gobert. Yeah. So let me pronounce their names right at least, right? Cameron Jordan and Tyree Wilson. Another junk card. Okay, so there's that for the jumbos. I like to keep them separate so I know where they came from. These were jumbos here, so we'll put all these over that way. But they won't interfere with the filming, but we'll leave these two up there. There you go. All right, first pack of the display box. I think that's what that's called. There are only 8 cards in each, and I wouldn't imagine going to get, anybody spectacular here. So Jamal Adams, Jacoby Myers. Not sure. We'll put him aside there. Aiden Hutchinson, defensive end, I think. Nolan Smith. And old Ronnie Lott. There you go. That was always a good looking. That's a good looking card there. I want to say it's a possible throwback card, but I'm yeah, of that year, which I don't know. But there you have it. There's a Ronnie Lott special. So it takes a little bit to figure this stuff out with these webcams and trying to get things to where they're. I mean, this is autofocus right now, I think. I'm not sure. I think I actually took the... No, it's manual focus. I just was able to adjust the focus lever and get a kind of a decent picture finally. It still may be a little dark, but yeah, you could see the cards, Not terrible, I would say. Doing this from my home, so if I do it out at the card vault, it's what we call the place we keep the cards. But yeah, it's a little different. I can get it. Oh, look at there. This is a Saquon Barkley. Okay, yeah, Dominators. So we'll put him right there. And another Quentin Johnston. Yeah, okay. But yeah, I've got like 5, 6, well, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different lights on this. And then, the whiteboard. And I had to change the M&M Cards and Collectibles sign to white, so I thought maybe I was having some issues there, but Patrick Surtain the second, Tyson Hill, Jake Ferguson, Jason Kelsey. Now he's kind of considered a defensive star, or maybe no, he's an offensive lineman. That's right. JUCO, there's a rookie there, and then you have Isaiah Pacheco. Not too bad. Almost looks like a throwback card there as well. So put that next to Ronnie Lott. You know, I honestly, I'm more of baseball. I like football. I'm a college, more college oriented than NFL, but you know, and you never know now. The college cards may be worth as much as some of these NFL cards because of them getting paid now, and I mean they're making millions of dollars. It's ridiculous. I have my reservations about it, but hey, get yours. I say, if that's what it takes. At least you'll have something, but finish your education for God's sake. That's probably more important than anything. So. There's a rookie there. Julius Brents. And then the champ is here. Jarius Schneed. That's not a bad looking card there. Yeah. So I guess we'll put him over here in the question mark pile. That's what that is. So I go through and kind of Google pick them, and then maybe they'll pop up, show me what maybe they're going for on eBay. So, if we do that, I guess then we'll know a little more of what's going on. More Jalen Waddle, Pollard, Davis Mills, Debo Samuel, Jameson Williams, Dalton Kincaid, and look here, action pop-ups. Chris Jones, there. Not too shabby. Put that over here. Alrighty. Alright, let's get into another one. Not sure how many packs I had here, but kind of like speed her up a bit. Alex Singleton, Evans, Austin, Davis. I'm more interested in the rookies. Oh, look at there. Elite Series rookies. Anthony Richardson. Wow, nice looking card. Jeez, let me put that up in that spot. Wow, I have to find out how much that one's worth, or if it's worth anything at all. Looks pretty, but what's a pretty face worth, right? All right, just another pretty face. All right. Twan Winfield Jr. Brock Purdy. Nick Bolton. All right. Burks. Jordan Addison. Ooh. Not a bad looking card. Put that up there. Alright. Looks like we got about 6 or 7 of these packs left. So open them up pretty easy. Fade Jaquan or something. Yeah, I'm not good with names. I got to hear your name 3-4 times before I even remember who you are. Cox. And fans of the game, Rich Eisen. Yeah, he's got a TV show, or yeah, ESPN or something. I don't know. He's on something. He has some guests on there, and I think maybe Sirius XM or something too. So who knows? I don't listen to him. I just know he's got a show. Jake Clark, Simmons, Higgins, C.J. Stroud. There you go. Base card, rookie, but not too shabby. That's probably the best so far. And then here is your Justin Reed. Champ is here. Where was he? Where did I put him? I put him over. Gosh, I can't remember. Where did I put that guy? Wasn't over here, but I had. Oh, jeez, I can't remember now. Oh, right there. So Jarius Reed. Okay, they're different. Okay, I thought they were the same guy, but I was mistaken. We'll put it right there. Good enough. All right. Dicker, Roy Walker, Shaquille Leonard, Hamlin, Juju Smith-Schuster. Now there sounds like a football player from back in the day, right? Like Newt Rockney. Okay. Okay, there you go. Move right along. Yeah. There's another Baker Mayfield. Calvin Ridley, I think I've heard of him. Patrick Mahomes, there you go. We'll put him up there. Daniel Hunter. Jared Goff, there's another quarterback. Earl Lawson, heard of him. Bryce Young. And Guardian Kings. Charlie Joyner. I remember him back in the day. So, 5 more packs. Yep, we got time. I did another intro to this video here. I was going to do, NFL, doodads with Johnny Unitas and everybody. But, I thought more wise of it. It's copyright stuff and you never know. But it was worth a try. J. Watt, Aaron Diggs. I think he might be. Gene Spears. What we got here? Drake London, a red. And then here you go. Justin Nabear. Right there. We'll put him up there. All right. Looks like we're going on 20 minutes. We got 4 packs left. It's a little bit of speed cards. Oh, there you go. And Spears. I don't know if I put any rookies in there. No. All right. I don't know. Let me know what you think. You think I got anything worth what I paid, which would probably have been, in the neighborhood of, I don't know, 40, 50 bucks. Maybe a little bit more. I think the C.J. Sprout's probably going to be the one that's the most value. Although it is only just the base card. And then you got the bomb squad. Dorian Thompson Robinson. Boy, see, if that would have been this guy here, wow, there you go. We're talking probably $600 card. So All right, 2 left. Down to the wire. Come on. Let's see if we get a pull here. Big hit. Come on. Big hit. No whammies. Russell Wilson. Somebody Overshaw. You got Saquon. So that's a long name there. And then Sam Laporta. Guardian Kings. All right. I hold in my hand the last display box pack, and off the bat, nobody in particular right there. Oh, very sad. Yeah, they just don't, you know, I don't know. They just don't give you the cards like they used to in the small packs. You gotta spend the money to get anything, you know, of value. Like, you know, pull an autograph out of a display case, you know, or not a display case, but a hobby box or a jumbo box. So that's it. I appreciate you watching. I would very much appreciate if you would like comment for sure. Anything you have to add, I would appreciate it. I take all, you know, critiques and criticisms the same. And please subscribe. So have a great day, and we'll see you on the next break.